अगर मैं कुछ टर्म्स बोलूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल चैट जीपीटी, जेमिनाई और डीप सीक, तो आई एम प्रिटी श्योर आप लोगों ने इन तीनों के बारे में या फिर एटलीस्ट एक के बारे में सुना ही होगा, राइट? क्योंकि so far these has been like quite amazing tools which can help you in a lots of things. तो लेकिन एग्जैक्टली ये टूल्स है क्या? आप लोगों को, कुछ लोगों को आइडिया भी होगा कि these are something called AI models और artificial intelligence, राइट? तो ये टर्म AI, इसको आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, बहुत बार मूवीज़ में, फॉर एग्जांपल टर्मिनेटर लोग देखी होगी और मैट्रिक्स. तो AI हैज़ बीन अराउंड फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बट अगर आप रियलाइज़ करोगे कि चैट जीपीटी, जेमिनाई, ये सब अभी रिसेंटली आए हैं, राइट? 2-3 साल पहले, उससे पहले चैट जीपीटी वगैरह नहीं थे. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि AI सिर्फ 2-3 साल पहले स्टार्ट हुआ है. Not exactly. AI has been here for more than 50 years. तो how did this field started? कि सबसे पहले who did even thought of machines being intelligent and all? So in this course we are gonna cover everything regarding this, कि how this field started, history of AI, कि exactly start कहाँ से हुआ था, and how did it improved from the beginning, क्या different चीज़ें रही है, how various methodology, how various techniques of mathematics and computer science get involved in this field of AI and so. तो this course is for everyone जिनको AI के बारे में ज़्यादा in depth सीखना है कि what AI is, exactly कहाँ से start हुआ, how did we reach to ChatGPT. So we'll talk about various history of AI, mathematical fundamentals like how to model a problem as an AI problem and how can we use various algorithms to solve those. So everything regarding this will be covered in this course. Apart from this, of course, you know कि what's the point of theory without applications. So we'll do a really cool project. What we are gonna do, we are gonna make a snake game. One of the what we are gonna do, so we are gonna make a snake game. So this is one of the projects that we are gonna do in this course. So in this game, like we'll build an AI which can control the snake and eat foods on their own. So we'll talk about how to implement these in a programming language called Python. We'll talk about the mathematics or algorithms that AI algorithms that can be used to find the food positions and all. Let me give you a small demonstration of the project जो हम बनाने वाले हैं इस कोर्स में. So this is a simple project, simple a game, a snake game जो आप सबने खेला होगा बचपन में काफ़ी. तो what we are gonna do, पहले क्या करते थे हम, स्नैक गेम खुद कंट्रोल करते थे, राइट? कि स्नैक को लेफ्ट जाना है, राइट जाना है, ये सब हम खुद कंट्रोल कर रहे थे मैनुअली. बट इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम क्या करने वाले हैं, विल मेक एन AI जो वो काम कर रहा हो हमारे लिए. तो विल इम्प्लीमेंट AI एल्गोरिथम जो स्नैक को कंट्रोल कर रहा होगा. सो लेट मी जस्ट give you a demonstration how this is gonna look like to get you a feel of what we are gonna make in the course. So let me just run the code. So game will have different levels of level 0 to level 3 depending upon the obstacles वगैरह भी. तो बचपन में जो गेम खेला होगा उसमें सिर्फ फूड था और स्नैक था. But to make it more challenging, what we are gonna do, we are gonna make some obstacles in the path of the snake ताकि snake has to avoid those obstacles. So we'll add some levels. So I'm running the game on level 2. and we are gonna implement some algorithms, जो AI algorithms. So if you don't understand what this means, for now you don't have to worry about it. We'll talk about this algorithm and you'll get to know about it in the future lectures. So let me just run it and let me show you how this looks like. So as you can see, this green dot is called our snake, which is trying to eat the food as much as it can in the given time, जो ऊपर left corner में चल रहा है. So as you can see, and after this time is over, we'll get to know the total score, कि how much times the food has been eaten by this snake. So this is what we are gonna make in this course. So of course this is not a simple project, but you can have your own customizations which can be done into this. Like you can add the features of increasing the snake's tail and all. So this will be like a take home assignments or something for you guys. Okay, so I hope you are excited for the course.